Hi guys, welcome to Jili Ibda American School. Today, inshallah, our lesson about convert metric units of capacity. Now, watch this video. Please listen and look carefully.
The essential understanding for this lesson is multiplication and division are used to convert among different units of capacity. Previously, students learned the relative size of metric units of capacity and how to use multiplication and division to convert metric units of length. In this lesson, students convert among different metric units of capacity. This problem is key because students use what they know about multiplying and dividing with powers of 10 to convert among metric units of capacity to solve a problem. Listen and look for students who start to solve this problem by converting the total amount of juice Carla needs, 3 liters, to milliliters, the units used to measure the amount of juice in a carton. They multiply 3 times 1,000, or 10 cubed, because 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. Then they divide the total milliliters of juice needed by the number of milliliters of juice in a carton to find that Carla needs to buy 6 cartons of juice. Listen and look for other students who start to solve this problem by converting the amount of juice in a carton, 500 milliliters, to liters, the units used to measure the total amount of juice Carla needs. They divide 500 by 1,000, or 10 cubed, because 1,000 milliliters are equivalent to 1 liter. Then they divide the total liters of juice needed by the number of liters of juice in a carton to find that Carla needs to buy 6 cartons of juice. All of these students demonstrate an understanding of how to use multiplication and division to convert among metric units of capacity. This understanding will help them in later lessons as they convert among metric units of mass and solve problems that require converting units.
Now, look and listen to another video to more understanding.
How do you convert metric units of capacity? Think about this question during the lesson. The most commonly used units of capacity in the metric system are the liter and the milliliter.
Can you find a liter or milliliter in the real world?
Would you measure the amount of water in a sink using liters or milliliters? Explain. You would use liters because a liter is a greater unit and a sink holds lots of water. Susan has 1.875 liters of water. How many milliliters is this? Which operation should you use to convert liters to milliliters?
Select your answer.
Ask yourself, when you want to change or to convert from liter to milliliter, so we convert it from larger to smaller, we must, multiply.
To change a larger unit to a smaller unit, multiply. Find 1.875 times 10 to the third power. How do you multiply 1.875 by 10 to the third power?
When you multiply by 10 power 3, it means by 1000. We move the decimal point. Okay. We move decimal point toward the right or left. When we multiply, we move decimal point toward this. Yes, right.
Move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So, Susan has 1,875 milliliters of water. Jorge has 3,500 milliliters of water. How many liters is this?
Now we want to convert from milliliter to liter. So we must, divide.
To change a smaller unit to a larger unit, divide. Find 3,500 divided by 10 to the third power. How do you divide 3,500 by 10 to the third power? There is an understood decimal point after the second zero. Move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So, Jorge has 3 5/10 liters of water. Now you know how to...
Okay, now we move to the second part, the practical part. See you. Hi guys, open your book, page 665. Now the practical part. Today I will listen about how to convert metric unit for capacity. So we have just one unit, 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. Okay, now we want to convert 5000 milliliter to liter, so we divide it, yes, by 1000 because we convert it from smaller to greater. When we divide it by 1000, we cancel 3 zeros, the answer will be 5. Okay, 4.27 liter to milliliter, so multiply by 1000. Here we have a decimal point. We move the decimal point toward the right. How many places? 3 places. 1, 2, then put 0. It will be 4270. 3700 milliliter to liter. Yes, divided by 1000. So we move a decimal towards left. Put a decimal, a start of point, then move it towards left. 1, 2, 3. It will be 3.7. 0.35 liter to milliliter multiply by 1000. So we move decimal 3 places toward the right. 1, 2, then put 0. It will be 350. 85 milliliter to liter. So put decimal at first, then move it from left towards left 3 places. 1, 2, and 3. Here a space, put 0. It will be 0.085. Now the table, liter to milliliter. When to convert from liter to milliliter, we multiply by 1000. So 0.1 multiplied by 1000. Move decimal 3 places toward the right. 1, then put 2 zeros. It will be 100. 1 times 1000 equal 1000. 10 multiplied 1000 equal 10,000. Thank you and goodbye.